In Gaelic, the name MacKay is rendered as Macaoidh, meaning son of Hugh. While the exact origins of Hugh remain uncertain, Sir Iain Moncreiffe proposed a compelling theory. He suggested that the MacKays may stem from a branch of the ancient Celtic royal house that contended for the throne during the 12th and 13th centuries. This claim lends an air of regality to the clan's lineage. According to Moncreiffe, the MacKays trace their ancestry back to the last abbot of Dunkeld, who held the prestigious titles of the first Earl of Fife and elder brother of Alexander, and notably, A's wife was the granddaughter of Queen Gruach, Macbeth's wife. This connection to Scottish royalty strengthens the MacKays' historical significance. The MacKays expanded their influence when Malcolm Macaedh, through his marriage to a sister of Somerled of the Isles, became the Earl of Ross. His son-in-law later ascended to the Earldom of Caithness. By the 14th century, the clan had firmly established itself in the lands of Strathnaver, a stronghold that would witness their endurance and fortitude against challenges to come. From a pinnacle of power, the MacKays faced centuries of territorial disputes and conflicts with their neighbouring clan, the Earls of Sutherland. Despite relentless attacks, the MacKays held their ground, embodying a spirit of resilience and tenacity. One significant milestone in the clan's history is their marriage alliances, demonstrating their increasing influence and political importance. Angus Dubh, sixth in descent from the Chamberlain, married Elizabeth, sister of Donald Lord of the Isles and granddaughter of Robert II. Such a marriage, driven by political motives, showcased the MacKays' rising prominence. The MacKays have produced remarkable figures throughout history. General MacKay, known as Hugh MacKay of Scowrie, commanded the forces of William and Mary at the decisive Battle of Killiecrankie in 1689. His leadership and bravery exemplified the MacKays' dedication to their cause. In more recent times, James MacKay rose to prominence in the business world, serving as the chairman of the P&O shipping line and being bestowed the title of Earl of Inchcape in 1929. Donald Macaedh, later known as Lord Mackay of Clashfern, broke barriers as the first non-English member of the English Bar to be appointed as Lord Chancellor of Great Britain in 1987.